everyone. This is Neil with Simpler Futures, Simpler Trading. Oh, well, let's see. On today's episode, Monday, October the 9th, follow through from Friday's non-farm payroll. So the number we got last week, and the market decided an up move was in the cards. And so you can see that on screen here. Here's Friday, went zoop up to about this 50 something area up here, and then we and carried balance out with it up there too at the close. So it started at the low, ended at the highs, and carried balance with it, and so that's a trend day. And then in the overnight last night we had news which brought this back to the test of Friday's mid, which was 4,300. That's in the overnight though. Then today's cash session, you can see it made a higher low at the old 43.15. Come on, I mean, you know that. This is like an episode of like the date is different, but the numbers are the same. So held balance at 15 and made a slightly higher high than Friday's high, leaving now today's mid and VWAP at 43.46. I want to use that as our over under now. In other words, like it's tested and held balance. I'd like to see it kind of like that was it. And then the target, if we're right and it goes higher, the target's going to be up here at 4408/9. And so there's your over under, and that'd be the target. Now, another reason that I think maybe we like, I get that out of the way. Let's see. Go, which screen? This screen. All right. Another reason that I think maybe we like that direction is today went through the bottom of the IB initial balance first, and then through the top, and then ended at the highs, and so that's called a neutral extreme day type. And that offers that your consideration or idea, expectation, anticipation, etc., whatever is for follow through to the upside. So we want to use today's mid VWAP as over under, and we want to target that 44.089 target up there. Now, if we're wrong and it does go lower, or if it goes the other way, whatever. I mean, just if it goes down instead of up, then still same over under, but make your target, if it's below that and it starts to break and get ugly, make your target down here at the mid of last Thursday, down here at about 42.87. That would be bearish. But based on this day type and the fact that it blew off that weekend news and still trades to the upside, ending on this day type neutral extreme, it has me to anticipate that there's more fuel in the tank here, and that the follow through is actually to the upside, not down, which would have it up into the 4400s up there for target. Now, if we're not together again for a couple days and this is even continuing higher than that, then remember there is a gap that starts at 20 up to like 43 up here. There's a little gap zone up there as well. You can kind of look into that for additional targets as well. But that's it. Come see us in the trade room. Simpler Trading. We've got options room, got a futures room, got lots of stuff going on. If you do like to look at this stuff during the day, and let's see, plan for today was about a 15 over under with targets up as high as 69. It went to 75 or something, so it went through our target a little bit, but that's what we got. Hope it helps. Good trading. Take care. We'll see you at the next update.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me